Good day, Spirit. We are here in the shrine of Infant of Jesus in Davao, some 4 kilometers away from Davao City. Was built by the Santos family in 1968 on their property, 4.5 hectares of grassy lawns and shady first trees. In the restful oasis Novenas to the Infant of Frog of Davao was held every Saturday and Sunday from 9 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon. Sto.Niño Shrine is located at Shrine Hills, Matina, Davao City, with Monsignor Edgar V. Rodriguez, who assigned from the said church committee with their Sto.Niño staff. The shrine has a canteen and retreat house, a souvenir shop, a church, and a wide plain of Bermuda's grass that embraces the ground. The place is a great of meditations and reflection. The place is very silent and solemn, perfect place to pray, reflect, meditate, and etc. During the Holy Week, the shrine is well visited to have the Visita Inglesia and the Station of the Cross. The main event of the shrine is during the feast of Senior Sto.Niño every third Sunday of January. Devotees bring the images of the Sto.Niño for blessing at the shrine of the Holy Infant of Jesus of Prague at the Shrine Hills in Matina, Davao City on the feast day of Sto.Niño. Their Holy Mass schedules every Sunday from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Cebuano, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. English, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. English, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. English. For confession and consultations, we cater 1 hour before the Mass starts. For any inquiries, please contact the Church of Secretary at 297-2911.